Here I've got Oppo Reno, and let me show you how to enable OTG connection on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down and open additional settings. It's under language and region. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice OTG connection. So if you truly want to enable it, simply click on this switcher, and that's it. Now it's active. It will automatically turn off when it's not in use for 10 minutes, but obviously you can switch it off manually. Just click on this, tap one more time, and now it's switched off. So that's it. This is how you can enable OTG connection. You can connect your device to some USB devices, and then you can switch it off easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.